how to turn on or turn off customize weather to get up-to-date weather notifications for your location based on your daily usage patterns. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon, and then we scroll down. At the bottom here, tap on general management. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on customization service. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on the weather toggle button to switch off or turn on weather customization. In here, when this is switched on, you can get up-to-date weather notifications for your location based on your daily usage patterns. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.